क्रिंजवर्दी कंटेंट बनाया हमने. Whoa, what have you done?
Money is a mind.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you all. I bought some books from a website called Best of Used Books and here they are. So I'm gonna be unboxing these with you today, but with a twist. I am not gonna do it alone. I have my sister today with me because when we ordered these books on Friendships Day, so I decided it would be better if we could unbox them together and tell you about these books, why did we choose them, and a lot of things. So let's begin. But before that, hi, I'm Divya. I make book related videos and a lot of stuff here and there. So here we are with my sister Barkha.
Hello everyone, I am glad to be here with you all. So let's jump into the unboxing of the books.
So here we are, ready with the books and ready with the tools. So yeah, I would like to tell you about the website that I have shopped from. So I got to know about this website from one of the videos of Aanchal. If you have visited her channel Libro Review, you would have known. So I saw one of her videos and she talked about some websites and this is one of them. So previously I have ordered books from Bookshore and this time I thought of ordering it from this one, Best of Used Books. So yeah, let's see how the books turn out. Bookshore, I trust Bookshore. It has very good deals as well as very good service, I would say. So about the service, it took about 1 week for these books to arrive at my place and बाकी तो books देख के पता चलेगा कि कैसा है. Whoa, what have you done? My God. So yeah, we are done with
Keep
the
it simple.
cardboard
Oh, we
fighters.
got these bookmarks too.
Oh, we got bookmarks. And yeah, Bookshore also sends bookmarks and I'm surprised that it also has bookmarks. Now we are on with the bubble wrap. Do you all like bubble wrap? Like, comment below if you like bubble wrap. I haven't met anyone who hates bubble wrap. My God, there are so many of these bookmarks. So here are the bookmarks. Oh my God, these are so pretty. So one is this Hope bookmark and it says just one more chapter, the classic. A book is a dream you hold in your hands. She's very excited. These are printed on both the sides and I love that. They're very beautiful balloons if you could see. And a quote, books are uniquely portable magic. That's true. Books are magic. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bookmarks actually. Yeah, 9 bookmarks. That makes sense. So yeah, I love them. Moving on. Okay, so the first author that we are gonna come up with here is Amish Tripathi. And if you have watched my previous unboxing video, and if you haven't, I will link it here. And in that unboxing video, I ordered 3 books from Amish. That is the Ramchandra series containing Ram, Sita, and Ravan books. 2 of them are gonna come. Like 2 of the books in the series would come later. They have not been released. But yeah, I am reading those books right now. I've read 2. I'm on the 3rd one. So I already have read Amish Tripathi's Shiva trilogy and I have left that. So, and जब किसी किताब से प्यार हो जाता है तो वो उसको recommend करे बिना नहीं रुकता. So she had to read them also because I recommend them very strongly and you have to read them also because I recommend them very
without
strongly.
reading these all.
Okay, so let's begin with the Shiva trilogy. There are 3 books in the Shiva trilogy basically, and the first one is The Immortals of Meluha. If you could see, I hope the camera focuses. And The Immortals of Meluha is the first book in the series. It's very pretty blue color cover with Shiva's portrait image in the front, and the pages are very that brownish, that library feeling pages, If you could see, these pages are very pretty and I love this kind of pages, they give a very beautiful vibe to a book basically. So the second book of the trilogy is The Secret of the Nagas. So I ordered all three. So the second book is The Secret of the Nagas, and it's a very beautiful print again with Shiva and some Naga, and it has a very beautiful concept of disability as we know it today in our society. You know, there's a stigma around disability. We took a very long time in this world to adjust to it. If you know, past में, in fact foreign countries in India में भी जो लोग disabled होते थे ना, उनको society से exclude कर दिया जाता था. Even they were not allowed to be born. But with time, there are laws, there are people who are speaking about it, activists are talking about it. I am very frankly, I'm very, very happy for that. And this, the Nagas book talks very deeply about the disabilities that people face and how society treats them. So it's a very good book and you should go for it. Just read it, okay? Just read it. So the last book in this Shiva trilogy is The Oath of Vayuputras, and as you can see, it is quite a big book. It has almost, let me tell you, 575 pages. And again, it's a wonder. It's a wonder, and Amish writes very beautifully in these three books. So these are the three books in the Shiva trilogy, and now we will go on to Bertha and let's see if she is, you know, excited to read this book, because I am just, you know, die-hard fan. मैं तो बोलती रहूँगी पढ़ लो.
Yeah, I will definitely read all these. Being a literature student, I know how these reading big books feels, and it gives a different feeling out of the world things. And yeah, definitely I'll read them all in a flow once I am done with my other things. So coming to the next, we have Rework here.
Yeah.
And this book, basically I have received a lot of reviews about this book, and I basically don't know, I have not researched a lot about this book, but I genuinely wanted to read it and just wanted to know what it all contains and what all knowledge we can gain from it. Basically we both will be reading it, and let's see how it goes.
For me, this book's recommendation came from Ankur Wariku's YouTube video. So he recommended 20 books, and this is one of them, and I have heard a lot of good things about this book. And if you would see, it has a very pretty cover, and it says Rework, change the way you work forever. And it is written by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. I'm very sorry if I'm doing it wrong. And the back cover is also pretty good, okay? And there are graphics in this. See, there are graphics in the book, and I don't know who doesn't like book with graphics, you know, like flowcharts. Yeah, it's a pretty good book, and the condition is amazing. I would say the condition of the book is amazing. So yeah, another wonderful book that we both have to read and are looking forward to. Moving on to the next book. So first of all, tell me, do you wanna earn money in your life?
Or you want to talk about money, and I feel who is there who don't want to earn good money and know how money gets.
So yeah, we all want money.
So
we all
our
know.
next book is,
We all want to know how to earn money.
it is Psychology of Money. I hope you all can see this cover, and it's talk about money as the cover says. Rest will get to know by reading it, what's there inside. It's by Morgan Housel.
And it has a very pretty brain made out of money.
Money is mighty.
See, she's so dedicated to money. So it has a very
Not
pretty cover.
exactly.
So The Psychology of Money is another book that I'm very excited to read. I don't remember where I got this, you know, the idea of reading this book, but I am looking forward to reading it, and I am excited for it. Like, I want to know how to earn money.
And with money, we get rich. So our next book is Think Think and Grow Rich. I actually wanted to read this book, and I'm trying since 2 years for reading this book. Earlier I had a ebook of this book, but it's kind of boring in the start of this book, so I just left it then and there. I tried 2 times reading this book. I started it 2 times, and then finally I ordered a hard copy, and I'm sure I'm gonna complete this one, or else I think I will never be able to
I will complete
it.
this one. If she completes this book, good, fine. Otherwise, I will complete this book definitely. Moving on to the next book. Now, this book has already been read by Barkha, and
It's very good.
she raves about this book. She's so fan of this book, Yuval Noah Harari, and I've already read one of the books from Yuval, that is Sapiens, and you must try that book. It's a mind-boggling book. So yeah, this one is 21 Lessons from 21st Century by Yuval Noah Harari. It's a #1 bestseller, and rather than me talking about this, I'll pass on the ball to Barkha and let her talk about it, because she knows this book inside out. She has read it, and we have ordered a hard copy basically so that I can read it and she can reread it. So yeah, on to Barkha.
So talking about this book, it's actually a बहुत ही ज्ञान वाला book, and it's quite interesting at few topics. It includes 21 topics, different topics. If I go into the index, not taking much time of yours, if I go to the index, it have different topics like community, religion, war, God, spiritual, and what else. So basically, work, liberty, equality, it talks about all these things. There are basically viewpoints relating to these points which I just said, and I recommend it to everyone who likes to know about the society, about the surroundings and whatever. I'm just not getting the actual word to say, but I would recommend everyone should read this book. It is hard to read, but because it contains a lot of knowledge, but it will give an very useful insight for the future, I guess. And it's been 1 year I've read this book, so I'll reread it, and again I'll come in her video to post a review about this.
She's most welcome. She loves this, and I'm pretty sure this book has a lot of knowledge. I've read Sapiens, and I've heard a lot of things from this book, because when she was reading it, she used to tell me some excerpts and read it to me also, and I also got really inspired to read this book.
Okay, so coming to the next book, which I ordered for myself only. If she wants to read, she can, but I will read it at first, because this is only time will tell. And this is the book I read in my school times when I was in, I guess, 9th standard or so. I just read this book from the library days, where we get to issue our books for 1 week and then 2 weeks and 3
like
weeks.
Ages back.
Yeah, it is like that. And then and there I just left this book. I couldn't complete this book, and then I left it. Like मुझे पूरी नहीं करनी है, and then again I went into I just saw this book there on the website, and I got curious. It's a story about children. I just don't remember everything from this. It's from Jeffrey Archer, and it's story of few children and their school days. It's a very, very good book. If you are a fiction reader, then you must go for this book. It's amazing.
So again, a highly recommended book from Barkha. So the last book of the haul, but not the least, definitely, it is Sohail Dev by Amish. And as you have seen, I am a fan of Amish. I have read a lot of books from him, and I'm still reading one, and this would be one of the additions to them. When this book got released, the social media went crazy, like very crazy about this book, and I think that is the reason that I wanted to read this book so badly since that time. So I have decided to read it this time. So yeah, the cover is very pretty. It says Legend of Sohail Dev, the king who saved India, and it's by Amish, and I love this book. I really love this book's cover. So let's see how it goes. And okay, So here we come to the end of the book. So there are 4 non-fiction books
and 5 fiction books we have in the hall today.
and in total there are 9 books. It cost us around 1300 something for all these books, and yeah, it's a good deal. It was a very good deal having 9
And
books.
the quality is actually good. I wasn't expecting this much, but it's good.
It's really good. The quality is good, guys. Go buy it from the store. Try that store. Order 1 book or 2. You'll get to know the quality is really good. So that was it for today, and I'm really happy to have introduced and have Barkha today in the video.
Yeah, I'm also glad to be here in this video. I always be at the back side of the camera, but today being here is so much fun with her.
Yeah, I also enjoyed a lot. The unboxing went really well, and you know, we share a bookish bond with each other, and I'm happy to show it here. That's it for today. Thank you for sticking till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.